What's up, everybody? I want to come in here and give y'all a quick tip on how to make you some money, passive income. This is one of the easiest techniques I've found. If you have Cashapp, if you look next to the dollar sign, you see a squiggly sign, and at the top of the page, you're gonna say stocks, and on the right it says Bitcoin. When you get your money in your Cashapp, instead of letting your money just sit there, you invest your money in either the stock side or the Bitcoin side. I tend to use the Bitcoin side because the money moves all day 24/7. The stock side only works business hours Monday through Friday. And another reason why I choose the Bitcoin, because I can cash out and have my cash immediately. When you use the stock side, you cash out, it takes like 24 hours or the next business day to receive your cash. So, saying that, so let's say I was in a grocery store and I needed some money right quick, I could just sell a few of my Bitcoins and the cash would be on my cash app back immediately. So you're not losing your money. I'll tell you what I've done and I'll tell you my results. I was just testing this out. I never knew this myself. That's why I was sharing it with somebody. I took everything that, like, people was giving me $5 and $10 and $6. You got Cashapp? Yeah, they threw it on my Cashapp. First I threw it in the stocks. I was losing money in the stocks. It wasn't a lot of money, but I was losing. I was like, damn. And so I started building up some change. I said, I'm gonna make me a portfolio. So I started buying a few different little stocks, and it was moving slow, and the return was slow. And so I took like $20 or $30 and threw it over into Bitcoin and see what happened. And I seen how fast my money was increasing. It would drop down occasionally, but it would increase more. So I actually ran my second test. Somebody bought something from me, paid me in Cashapp. I took the money, threw it right over into the Bitcoin, but instead of just letting it sit in the Cashapp, right there waiting to be spent again, I put it in Bitcoin, and I just put it in there yesterday. I already made $7, not doing anything, and it was only $50 that I put in there. So imagine if I would put $500 in there, I probably had like 10 times that amount. 50, 10, yeah, I would have had $70. So instead of just letting your money sit still in Cashapp, take your money, put it into Bitcoin, so it can grow instead of just sitting, and you'll make you some easy cash, some easy passive income. I'll holler at y'all. This is Chris Douglas. I'm signing out. Yo, y'all remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. Check out Errand Runnas. Check out fitperfect.com, FITTPERFECT.com. Like and follow my pages on Facebook, Errand Runnas. Runnas is spelled RUNNAS. That's on Facebook and on Instagram. And you can check out errandrunners.com. And you can download the Errand Runners on demand pickup and delivery app. I appreciate everything. And I'll holler at y'all. Peace.